slow. Enti ama ibinum cry skates any ade.
Yes.
Ye who in skates. Even though say sinino emba wa to say the caneno. I don't know winter skates.
Oh, we are planning that. You be Miracle Films. You are planning very interesting way be. But however, nothing stops me. Say me, but most of the time, me guys no one say me busy or say and nobody calls me. However, I just offer me another. Also, I didn't interesting. It represented what you do. On say skate to abe
no na kosoro because of a brand no said the baby abi do 20 brands who ambassador be skate 5 minutes 3 minutes 2 minutes ahia na ye betumi atia wo wabra skate yin so po sabe nya se ye ba be premier na wakasa nkrofo ba be hwe ye de ba be to social media so ama nkrofo ahwe asere ana de akwa kogu YouTube. Sign a obeje so obi se betwa skater
abe kuzu timi biza kwashi
ai
sign a memaje abe gumetim cry ache memnua mema no mu ye no
nti ade nti na wonye skate no why you busy
obi am frame mpo
obi am frame
mi donya mi but I know just how frame me na me but
rasnana what town
debi abe
ade na me
ka ne kra me akasa kra no menene shia ono so ope nice concept ye decide you're going to
rasnana what town and bra me shia no wo twa o se wa ba wo twitwa rasnana empress mon friend no
oh no nene say no abe sometimes you need to ask the boys the relationship I have with nene no it goes beyond skate and movies so then but na obo me din obeka ye mo ye fa bi mu say ye ma obi te se nene enye nne Ghana for any ba na so nene yen no ya seketa ma na ya
for kuma would egu kuma would egu enti
nene ba me kam na be si so say nene de onim say me fie kro pe so twa skate am onim say me de be ma
ade a ebetumi a compete na revive kuma would sini ene sa skate ya abeya nkrofo twetwe na empress so una udi akotere emaye twasini it is a one for one shemu a ene ese gua na egu
abe kuti biza question no why ham na masam na
because ese ya tundra ne ama we mu ana etwitwa ayi na empress ya na mumudi sini mu tintimba yi pa no ese ya mo brand profile no ekoso nti mu twa eye
oh abe se Ghana when it comes to me movies say camera nim there it is me I love it abe yen na ye dey see bio juma no eno na ye dey nam wi asime but the point here is as I speak about 2 weeks ago Miracle Films we sat down and the scripts are almost ready ye betcha and the other people knows whoever comes and the time is there it's not mostly about the money abe sabi enu am dey no mo dey no be mai yes no say so mu no mu so sabe wahia yen obi ti say me na Mcbrown yes say nchine nkamfo no hu but ameka asem cho we are feeding a lot of young boys now because adebi wo kra na mama nya me nkan eno anso makeka me photo be sexy abom na obi atena chiri na waka I myself wa chiro bibia fa me ho no dey akoto YouTube nipa akohwe no anya biedi inti yes kit na nipa na approach you no is not when we would deny Sebi all the but they've not called me. Yeah, that time I'll come and do it.
All right. Ebusu for mo yes kit na mo friend Empress na nama Mcbrown. No so no ho. Mo friend na mo amunum say Empress nso di esini wonimu ye.
Friend me na ho de
o kase wonsa wonya abawa obeye wonye school girl obeye robi admema ni bia no obeye na uye kuma would more na ye hu wo Accra Wood Shelley Frimpong Manso movie no money ade no ye hu wo adentia
abe so pa what's my be say they mean to me answer
I don't know to me answer
ye hu me wo sasan
Ti said ye hu Lydia Forcing.
Na Lydia Forcing hu kuma wudo.
Me hu no.
Energy asem na kan.
No say Lydia Forcing. Lydia Forcing
started kuma would no be wie shali ho ana say official ho na won nam a wo try so beba kuma wonya nru ho na me makwa aba ha wo betwe masan abe
na na wo twa crowd
abe ne wani nye Mr. Moses na
Dabi ya kuma wuda meba ya hwe kuma wuda
wa na comment o hine
dudu a watwa
uko bo Lydia din ba asemi muti wasem no
ya botre mame
wati
ya comparison na me ya ti kuma wuda watwa ene glamorous movies a watwa ye de toto ho a de na doso
na mpacho glamorous movie no e Yoruba for dia na
enye Ghana for dia
na menya Ghana ni
we Ghana ni
na me ye kuma wood no so no enya na
oh come on yen ka say nye
but one say woman na ye said there
eno so ya another
market said there by force say no say me be English movie let me tell you abe time when movies go here no na o ma no me English no mother no muni ho ye mu bi na miracle films adaro ma jako mercy mo be kan ye ho tinti no hwe mu at that time na most of your actresses no be akọ Nigeria
epeja ye no wait Jackie mo so ba betwa akuma wudi bi
Jackie ni kuma wudi o kan ne sase Andrew just like me so me be ye me kan be me English movies be bra who feel say endorse
sir
but I can tell you I have more English movies than Jackie having kuma wood movies. That's the truth. Abe unim bibi ye say ye koto Range Rover yemfa hama ento ba akon ne yemfa dollar ento ba akon e di sikato ni nyina sika na see this never some dollar price still the value is the same. Metna ha me ye kuma wood movies no I am so proud of myself. That is what have earned me a lot of endorsement and that is what made Ghanaians love me. The English ya tro na ya ka me ba ye ubisa me English am the English be you an o tro ma me kan ama na me the acting aka ho abe sika na ye pen kan sorry ma ha de ye be ye beja din pa na so Ghana fo ani na yetimi de ahwe ye ho na ebusua na ya survive wo wiase no. I think that's what I'm doing.
Enti adenti na glamorous movie Accra Wood ma me kan sa said you be no beti ase cast a woman no ye place you more higher you know than some of the cast or characters in Kumawood.
I can bet you if you make your research down here Ghana hankwa now so pay sinimu nipa omubo mu modin o ma yade o ma survivor. I am part of the first three and no doubt
it
is not about brofo, neither is it about tree. It's about the mark you make, the legacy through what you are doing you leave behind. Abe on say yetimi ka awards yetimi ranking crofo we ye bigger than woni mo bi account mo woni mo bi anije woni mo bi abusia. People are there and they are crying behind the scenes and yamu bin we are living as the time goes. Everything we are living is the reality. We come here and whatever we have is the reality. Abe, I'm a happy person. I love what my craft.
Which one sells more global? Local or the English movies?
Abe, whatever makes me happy in my job.
No. The question is which one sells more global?
I don't know about what sells global. But I think that say Pegana ha because maybe the minyo be a fan of blue outside. I'm too made in Ghana a person. Inti de biano me padi a me beka Ghana ha na nyame aboa me na etimi di sika kakra bre me na metumi aye de me pese me ye. As long as I de no me ye no ebebu nipa titu Ghana for no de. Me share you be here abi
says here you share your screen so you more telenovelas now your friend three novelas na Ghana so National Film Authority your film bill ne act war we ye dwuma wo United Television so ye nyina ye dwuma wo United Television so protecting our local film industry. Wabra, ye show foreign content. What is your take on it? A kwan be so na be to me protect your local film industry. Wabra your television station from GTV to TV Africa to omo project African values a show foreign television content.
We're very simple. Asama okay chere say asama how pa. And I asam so I Ghana for pa. However, Emra wo krom ha. Se me nko ametena na meka bibia be wona communication is so wrong. Let me tell you something. Me say me nya kwan hwebi. Me hwebi.
On share telenovelas.
Nim de ba ya ma sheda di akire sa.
There were UTV so kra we.
Hwebi da.
On share telenovelas.
Me hwebi me hwefo be di wadanse. Me hwebi.
Wan hwe kunkum bag.
Tresa me nim kra just me ten no say yeah popular social media. Me hwebi. No, I be commission.
Why? You are an actress. Why?
Na ya me ya.
But won't we share baby in film?
Almost stories no do baby my doing true no. My movies sa anti has a minim stories no baby.
Enye relatable ana emfa brabo.
To be honest, me hwe. Name mom so mu kan wo fie e kira mpa o mu hwe nto mu kan. Kana for hwe wo. E kira said bibi to so a wo behwe. Inti se we no betumi akofoma ma ye nyina ka beboa. However, when na ye bibi so akoto so. Questions na be one says answer we say what the me actresses na no me mistakes. E ke kan na akoy emotional kakra.
Yeah, but man council e be den na policy makers no so.
Na policy makers don't they know they make money. Ada Socrates maha. Socrates o maha.
Enyo no nko na be.
Empan for Mr. Okreku maha.
Enyo no nko.
But the intinya me nko na metumi aka.
It is say mu nyina mo mama no ekobanku na
ma no. Ha adwene.
Ha adwene.
Me ye adwuma wo.
Film industry no
egu. Enye fia one show.
Film industry no egu.
Oh, enguye bibia ni we egu.
How do you see the industry in the next 5 years?
The industry in the next 5 years, you betumi am waking up.
How?
Just say bia the year can ye telenovelas ne kofom. Na ye di bibi beto so an idea will come you betumi a transform and ye the movies no. Because they say movies no ye ento and another ne skitty who the 10 kabo mukura and so 30 minutes for a day.
Yambra independent content producers te say we independent content producer who one kasa show Mcbrown Kitchen you produce it and na odema United Television. It is na senka emrabi wo ho eboa local content production and come on we nafti ne omo we school of performing arts omo sua cinematography camera work ebe to me aye production te said the ye good social media so na nkomo dia bread TV say na woni UTV and share ewo Mcbrown Kitchen
won say UTV despite media or den ho dada nye bibia kaka na obetumi afa na dia brom so mu fan to TV ne so first of all and I'm say show no one a family show nintino me ba ye no me sre time me pe na eno so e ho hihye ho sa time na e ho hihye ho nti time wo pe bia no UTV hihye ho eno de mintimi fan to dwa time wo pe no omu je product na no nkyere say omu je no mu hwe na be boa omu channel na omu no be conscious and that's it.
Who owns Mcbrown Kitchen?
I own it. A media.
Who owns United Showbiz?
UTV.
Yehu Mcbrown adverts bebre wo United Showbiz so. Advert ni na ya wo dia ana UTV dia.
Ebo time ben. Se bibi bo aye advert bi ebebo UTV bibia apart from Mcbrown's Kitchen your media.
It is advert in a bow United Showbiz mua enya wo dia. But the